Artificial intelligence technology has entered the mainstream and is being adopted by large enterprises worldwide. The world is already seeing massive changes, and we are seeing giant corporations like Google and Microsoft fight it out to develop the best AI tools. It is evident that AI will shape the future, and even though it may sound interesting, the reality can be quite the opposite, and even depressing. AI will take away plenty of jobs, and these 10 industries will be affected the most. Number 10. Customer service and experience. Due to natural language processing, machine learning, and robotics improvements, AI is about to change how customer service is done. Chatbots and virtual helpers that AI drives are getting smarter and better at handling many customer interactions and questions. These AI-driven customer service options have several benefits over traditional ways. They can be open 24/7, answer customer questions immediately, reduce wait times, and make customers happier. AI also lets businesses improve their customer service without hiring more people, making it a cost-effective solution. As AI keeps improving, it will be able to solve even the most complex problems in seconds, and people working in the customer service sector will be out of jobs pretty soon. Number 9. Financial planners. AI-powered algorithms and robo-advisors are already making big changes in the financial planning industry by providing automatic investment advice and portfolio management services. AI-based financial planning is appealing because it is quick, easy to use, and inexpensive. Robo-advisors can look at a huge amount of financial data and market trends in real time, which lets them make business choices based on the data. They can also make unique investment plans for each client based on how much risk they are willing to take, what their financial goals are, and how long they have to reach those goals. As AI systems get smarter, they might be able to do most of the things that a human financial manager does. This could make fewer people want standard financial planning services. Moreover, if AI systems can develop emotional intelligence, it might be game over for the financial planners out there. Number 8. Proofreaders and translators. Language processing tools and machine learning algorithms that AI drives are getting better and better at finding and fixing mistakes in written material. They can also translate between languages, making the process faster and better. AI-powered editing tools can quickly find spelling, language, and punctual mistakes and fix them immediately. These tools are always learning from huge data sets, which helps them get better and better over time. In the same way, AI-powered translation software can look at large, international files to make quick, automatic versions that don't need human help. However, there will always be a need for humans to do professional translation, but people who have been providing freelancing services for cheap might soon have to look for some other options, or they would just need to up their skills. Number 7. Graphic designers. One of the most affected fields recently has been that of graphic designers. With AI tools like Midjourney and DALL-E, it is evident that what graphic designers used to do in hours is just a matter of seconds for this AI software. Moreover, this software has no limitations, does not tire out, and charges very less than a professional graphic designer. What's even more concerning is the fact that there is hardly any difference between AI-generated art and human art. AI can also help make unique designs based on users' tastes and behavior data, which improves the customer experience and keeps them interested. AI can guess and improve design choices by learning from past wins and mistakes. This could lead to better marketing and branding strategies. However, it is also quite clear that AI needs an artist's creativity and critical thinking, and a true artist might never get out of work. They can even use AI tools to enhance their work and produce the best out of them. Remember when Photoshop came out and everyone thought it was game over for photography? Consider the same for AI and hope for the best. Number 6. Accountants, bookkeepers. AI-powered accounting software like Zenny.ai can do activities like data input, transaction categorization, and bank reconciliation quickly and accurately. Automation Anywhere, Datamatics, and Blue Prism are examples of software that can automate numerous office tasks. An Excel file may be taught to extract and study data with the help of ChatGPT. With minimum human participation, it can analyze massive volumes of financial data, find trends, and provide reports. AI can also do difficult computations, detect abnormalities, and forecast financial trends, simplifying financial analysis and decision-making. Furthermore, AI-enabled accounting applications may automate invoice production, expenditure tracking, and inventory management, easing bookkeeping operations for companies of all sizes. AI technology is rapidly developing. As an accounting professional, you must monitor trends and understand how new technical breakthroughs, such as ChatGPT, may affect your career. Number 5. Manufacturing and assembly line jobs. Many people are employed in this line of work, and it is sad to think that AI might take over millions of these jobs. Machine learning systems can examine sensor data to forecast probable failures or maintenance needs. This allows for preventive maintenance, which reduces downtime and improves equipment performance. Artificial intelligence systems may examine machine sensor data to foresee the need for repairs or servicing. AI-powered robots can quickly and accurately conduct welding, material handling, and assembly on the assembly line. Supply chain costs may be lowered and delivery time shortened with the help of AI predicted demand, optimize inventory levels, and streamline processes. AI technology can be a bliss for the industry, as the robots can work 24/7 without tiring and do not need any rest. However, once AI becomes common in this industry, millions of people will find themselves without a job and have to learn new skills to survive, which can be quite difficult now. Number 4. Legal assistance. Just in January 2023, it was announced that an AI program would become a defense's legal assistant in a court proceeding. If this does not ring some bells for lawyers out there, nothing will. AI-powered legal tools like AI Lawyer and Patent Pal can do jobs like reviewing documents, analyzing contracts, doing legal research, and managing cases very quickly and accurately. These tools can sort through a lot of legal information, find relevant data, and pull out ideas. This makes the work that legal assistants used to do by hand much easier. AI can also help write legal papers, make reports, and even guess what will happen in court based on past data and case law. AI can help lawyers and other people who work in the legal field make better decisions by studying patterns and past cases. However, there's no doubt that human lawyers will always have unique qualities, such as negotiation skills and client relations. Number 3. Junior software developer. As AI takes over regular tasks, younger coders may lose their jobs, be unable to get more experience, and move up in their careers. But this also allows them to change and find new ways to stay useful on the market. ChatGPT can provide accurate code for complex problems in no time, something a junior software developer would take plenty of time to develop. If a machine learning model can write code faster and just as well or better than a junior coder, that's a good sign. And if a young worker's salary is always higher than using AI, this is a problem for the industry because companies may choose to use AI-generated code instead, which is cheaper. This could make it harder for younger coders to find work. It is up to universities or the junior developers themselves to improve their skill set and adapt to the new world settings. Otherwise, it's going to be a sad ending for them. This could make it harder for younger coders to find work. Number 2. Data entry and data processing. In this world, data has become the biggest selling point for businesses, and they are spending thousands of dollars on data analysts and AI tools. Deep learning algorithms can be taught to find trends in data. This makes it possible to pull out and enter data automatically. This technology has made it easier and faster than ever to enter data. AI-driven data entry tools can handle large amounts of data quickly and accurately, so human workers no longer need to enter data by hand. For instance, AI-powered optical character recognition, or OCR tools, can read scanned documents and input data automatically. While automating data entry and processing has many benefits, it also makes it more likely that many people who work in these areas will lose their jobs. As AI technology improves, there is a high chance that companies will decide to replace people with AI systems to save money and boost productivity, leaving plenty of people out of jobs. Number 1. Market research analysts. Coming down to number 1, we have market analysts, and the emergence of artificial intelligence poses a significant threat to their job security. AI-driven market research tools can quickly and accurately handle a huge amount of market data from various sources. They can find patterns, trends, and connections that human researchers might have missed. AI can also predict how the market will move and make tips based on this data. This makes it easier for buyers and businesses to make decisions. This automation of tasks related to market analysis not only puts the jobs of market analysts at risk, but also makes people worry about the loss of human understanding, instincts, and knowledge. As a business owner, no one would want to pay extra for a human when you can get twice the results in less time and money from AI software. Therefore, market analysts are also under severe threat of unemployment, and it might be about time they start adding more skills to their resume to keep their jobs. As we end the video, make sure to drop your comments below and let us know what you feel about this AI takeover.